It's 1 week past the frost date and a beautiful misty morning. Thought I'd take you on a garden tour. Lilac are just in bloom. Cannot beat it. So at this point in the growing season, we've planted a few things in the greenhouse, getting some seeds started, and we've also been able to direct plant some things. The best, though, are the plants that are perennials and just keep coming back. This is rhubarb. Here's the walking onion. It was really great to have this come out first thing this year. Here is some magnificent garlic. Look at this. You can fit so much garlic in a small space. I don't remember how many heads we planted, but probably 100 or so. Strawberry is another perennial that we didn't have to plant, and they're on their way, starting to flower. And at this point, we've been eating asparagus for about 10 days straight. So, we've been able to direct sow peas, and we have 3 different kinds, some snap peas, some shelling peas, some early ripening snap peas. And then we also planted a bunch of onion sets. Those are a mixture of red and white onions, plus some shallots. And this doesn't look like anything, but we've got some early season carrots. We actually had carrots in July, first thing in July last year. It's pretty crazy. I am really loving this hinged greenhouse on top of a raised bed. This is where we've got our early greens direct planted into the bed. We got cilantro, 2 lettuces, some kale, lots of spinach. And then here are all of our seedlings. We actually planted them like a good month ago, and they're still really small. We've been fertilizing every other watering, so hopefully as the weather gets warmer, they will take off just like they have for the past 3 years. I wanted to make this video because during this time of constant change and pandemic, it's a good time to have a little bit of tranquility in our lives. Actually just getting over COVID, finally caught the virus, but it wasn't so bad. I was glad I was vaccinated and probably had mild symptoms for about a week. Nothing too severe, thankfully. But look at this beauty. It's here.